Hey guys, in this video let's see how to download and install Python for all Windows using 32-bit and 64-bit. Now just simply type Python in your browser. You can see the first link python.org. Just click on it. And now go to downloads. You can see Windows and Mac. If you are using Windows, just select your Mac or go to the latest version is 3.8.3, and if you are using 64-bit, just select 64 executable installer. If you are using 32-bit, just select normal executable installer. Mine is 32-bit, so I'm installing this normal 32-bit version. When the download gets completed, just open the file. Now click on run. And you can see the Python version is 3.8.3 and it's a 32-bit. So now click on install now. And the installation will take up to 2 or 3 minutes. You can see my setup was successfully installed. I'll close it. You can see recently there is a Python installed. Or else you can go to P and you can search for Python. You can see the Python folder is there. Now click on this. And when it's open, now go to file new, go to file new. Here you need to type the program. Now we will have a simple program. Let's take a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3, so c is equal to a plus b. Now print c. Python does not require a semicolon, and it's like an addition program. Okay? Now you can save the file by going to file save, or else Ctrl+S, or else just simply run the program. It will automatically ask you to save the file. Just give the file name and click on save option. Now click on save option. You can see the output as came. Now let's type another program. It's simple. Print, for example, everyone tell like hello world. So you can use any other thing like how are you. It will get the output. And you can also another print option like print and find. Just simple print option, that's it. Now run the module. And you can see the output. Array is 10, B is 3, so C is equal to A plus 3, so it's 13. And print a value, and I'm fine.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and receive the latest updates.